Regina Sober with Eat Travel Life, and we are making a crustless coconut custard pie. Just trust the process here, no crust. These are the ingredients you're going to need, and we're making this in the blender. Yay, no bowls, no spatulas. So start out by just popping your eggs into the blender here. You're going to want to add all the ingredients in the order that I'm providing them. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we're going to add in 4 eggs. I made this pie for our senior center because I'm one of the pie ladies, and once a month I donate a pie for their luncheons that they have. Now that we've got all our eggs, we're going to go ahead and add in our flour, and then we'll add in our sugar. We're just dumping all of this in. We're not stirring it as between each ingredient. You're going to want to have your softened butter, and then go ahead and add in your, what's the next ingredient? Vanilla. Made my own vanilla, and I actually measured it this time. I didn't measure with my heart. Let me know in the comments if you measure with your heart or with a spoon when you put vanilla in your cakes and cookies and things. Next, we'll take the milk and we'll add that in. Add your milk in, and we're going to use a deep pie pan for this, and then go ahead and add in your coconut next. And now all we need to do is to blend this up. So go ahead and put the top on and then put it on the blender and then give it a whirl. Like I said, it's a deep pie pan you're going to use. I used a shallow one you're going to see here in a second, and I wasn't able to pour everything in. Now if everything doesn't fit into your pie pan, that's okay. Get a smaller one or in muffin tins, and you can make mini ones to serve and eat later. We are going to blend this for about 1 minute, and you're going to want to blend it until everything is incorporated. So when you look in it, you see that everything's mixed. There's no glops of flour or anything in the mix. So mix it for a minute and then stop and take a look at it, and you should see it looks from ours, I can tell this is all that delicious sweetened coconut. So go ahead and put it on your pie plate. I recommend putting it on a baking sheet first because I'm messy, things overspill, and see all the leftovers I had there? That was about a cup and a half. So we're going to bake this for 45 minutes until it's golden brown. It's going to puff up a bit, and then once it's cooled, you can refrigerate this and then serve it. This is the second pie because not only did I make one for the senior center, I made one for us as well. There is no crust on there, but it only on the top, and it was so delicious. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe.